Okay, so we are building this site, right? So first, what we'll be doing in this session is we'll identify all the APIs which we have to write, all the endpoints. Okay, so yesterday, as I showed you in previous session, like we'll have to inspect the page, look at what type of API calls is being made, what is the data, what is the response, all those things, right? So you will have access to this site. You explore and tell me one by one what are the APIs call being made over here. You can go to different page, try it out. Like let me show you. If you go to profile page, okay, here you see there is a get API call. So let's say in profile you have this. Okay, for now I can write it in a. This is a get API call, and the response for this, there is no payload, there is only response because it is a get call, right? So this is your response. Similar to this, can you identify few more? Yeah, tell me.
When we click on shorten URL.
When we click on shorten URL and we try to shorten a URL, right? So let me take this long URL and try to sort it. So let's see what API call will be made. If I click on this, it makes a post call, right? This means it is sending some data, right? So let me capture this as well. So there is a post call and there will be request, payload, and there will be response. So let's see request payload. It is over here. This is your request and the response is here. There is one more. If you see it here, it gives you one URL, right? So what if I try to open this URL? I click on this. Let me go to the network page. Hit this. It redirected me, right? So this is one more URL. Can you tell me what is the type of this?
This is the type of time.
I mean HTTP method, which it's a post get.
Time post. Time post is a post you. Post you. You're only sending the link, right?
I'm not. I'm just sending the
Short code.
short code. That's all.
Correct. That means it should be get and it will redirect.
Correct.
Response will not redirect.
Correct. So let me take this and try it out in the Postman. This should be a public route. Why? Because anyone can try it out, right? Let's try to send it. It gives 200 and gives a HTML page, but which is not right, correct? It should give 301. Hmm. correct. See it, okay, it's 304.
cache के लगे क्या
Disable cache. Okay, anyway, it's redirecting, so we cannot see the previous one. For now, let's, according to our assumption, this is get. So we'll keep it as get. And it in response, it will give you status code something 301 or 302 with the original URL, right? Anything other than these three?
my URLs
Okay, my URLs. So if you go over my URLs, it fetches the paginated data, right? It is get, but you are sending a page number and a limit. So get, and the response here is a JSON data. Okay, I'm deleting few, or I'm just closing it. Other than this, there are few more. If you see here, you can edit it, right? So according to you, can you guess what type of, what will be the HTTP method of this? Patch. So let's say we save this. It makes a API call, and here it is patch. Perfect. In response, it gives you the updated detail. In body, it will take. Okay. Here there is params also. Short code. Okay. And we are passing title and original URL, which we want to update. We tried this in the previous session, like we passed the params and we wanted to update the data of that record, right? So this is the data we want to update. Okay.